Hello, just want to give a little tour of the Jeep. This is a Jeep Hurricane I bought used. I like this little Jeep. It's got some clearance. It's got some nice little knobby tires on and tall to drive through our grass for the grandsons. I got this as a project from a guy. I was going to convert it to gas, but then I thought, wow, might be too much for the grandson's gas. So just going to modify either a 24 or 36 volt circuit. So I'll just give you a little walkthrough. I did take the tail lights, drilled them out, actually working tail lights. Actually in the front, actually took the headlights. They got a nice little lens. I drilled the back out and put bulbs in, LED bulbs. Add them some air horns here so they can honk away and have some fun and chase rabbits or whatever. I did a little bit of wiring up here. Got some grommets and wire management done. Extra 12 volt battery over here to run all the accessories, lights. I have a box over here, a 6 volt converter box, which allows the radio to run without batteries. And also I have them an Android charger running off of that. So if the little fellas, they don't have cell phones yet, but if they bring their Android devices over, they can plug them in, and Pappy can even charge his cell phone. But anyway, there you go. So have that. I put him a police light on. It's actually for a bicycle. This has a strobe. You can use the sounds too, so they can push this and drive around, have some fun. They get bored, they can mash the air horn button. Took these are like fake toggle switches, so I just drilled them out. And there's a little air horn. Flip this button here. That's actually going to have working headlights. And the headlights actually, like I mentioned, they work pretty good. Actually, pretty cool little headlight thing going on there. And of course we have tail lights back here. I did do the upgraded battery, so like I said, it doesn't have the Power Wheels battery, more power, and did some wire management there, here and there. Got a little bit of wires to clean up and tuck away and all that. What I did over here, it had like a little gauge over here. It just had a couple dots, like, you know, your battery's charged. So what I did, I had some of these voltmeter circuits laying around, so I used a voltmeter and cut that out and stuck it right in there for little guys, so now they can I can look at it and see how much charge they got. What I did, like I said, I had to do some work here. I did put a speaker under the seat, so when they turn their radio on and they tune it, so they'll have a little tuner here on the radio. So anyway, when they tune it, I put a speaker under the seat right here, so that way it carries better. So it carries a lot better, and they'll be able to tune. Now I don't know how often this to the radio. They'll probably want to blow the horn more than anything, but when the radio's on also, they can turn this, and then nav lights flash up here. Turn the radio down if they want to. So like I said, I thought I put the radio speaker under the seat. Just using the basic amp that came with the radio, not trying to do any boom boxes or anything. Just had some more wires to tuck away and a few things to do. And like I said, I got this off another guy. It does need a good power washing, but like I said, I like this Jeep with the ground clearance and everything. I think it'll do good in our yard. And plenty of room for both our boys, not our boys, but our grandsons to play in. So I think they'll have fun with it. Just got to clean it up now, power wash it, tuck some wires away, and finish up cleaning up everything. So thanks for looking at the little video of the Power Wheels Jeep. Hope you have fun converting your Power Wheels Jeep also.